Get ready to indulge in a chocolatey adventure that's as quick as it is delightful. This 1-minute chocolate cake recipe will make your taste buds dance without complicating your kitchen. The secret lies in simplicity. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. The charm of this recipe is that it keeps everything in one bowl, making cleanup a breeze and inviting everyone to join in the fun. Begin by focusing on our dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour to provide a sturdy structure, ½ cup of rich cocoa powder to bring that deep, satisfying chocolate flavor, and 3/4 cup of sugar for that perfect amount of sweetness. A touch of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder will ensure our cake rises beautifully, creating a fluffy texture that's a delight with every bite. As you mix these ingredients together, watch them blend into a chocolatey masterpiece that promises to delight. With the dry mix ready, it's time to introduce the wet ingredients. Pour in ½ cup of milk and 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, adding moisture that guarantees a melt-in-your-mouth experience. The pièce de résistance, a splash of vanilla extract, which elevates the flavor to heavenly heights. Gently fold these wet ingredients into the dry mix, stirring until the batter is smooth and velvety. If you're feeling adventurous, toss in some chocolate chips for an extra treat. Because can there ever be too much chocolate? Now the magic of cooking begins. Instead of an oven, we're using a pot on the stove. Lightly grease your pot with butter or oil to prevent any sticking. Then pour in your luscious batter, smoothing it out evenly. Cover the pot with a lid and let it cook on low heat for about 30 minutes. This unusual method will surprise you. The cake will rise and steam, filling your kitchen with the sweet scent of baking chocolate. As the timer counts down, envision those sweet rewards waiting for you. A flawless cake doesn't just look scrumptious, it tastes divine. After the time is up, gently remove the lid and let your cake cool slightly before serving. Dust it with powdered sugar or top it with fresh berries for a truly gourmet presentation that will impress friends and family. In just 1 minute of preparation, you've created a delectable chocolate cake that's easy, fun, and most importantly, delicious.